Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another studio vlog. Vlogged yesterday of me going to Dancing Bear, and I just wanted to vlog today because I have a lot of stuff to do. I have an Etsy order for 2 masks and a pair of earrings, which I need to do. All the masks are made to order because I don't want to pre-cut a bunch of fabric in one size and then not have enough for other sizes, so I just leave it. I just make one. I make a women's one, photograph it, upload it to Etsy, and then as people do orders, I cut out the designs and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that. I had a custom order placed. I made this pop socket. I know I was showing you guys. I don't forget in the last vlog if I had finished it or if I was just working on it, but it's finished now, and I have to make a custom lanyard that matches, so that's what I'm currently working on right now. I love this color scheme, the pink. I love it, so that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and pre-cut and sew some masks. So let's go do that. So you guys saw me pack or make and pack my order. Somebody just ordered 2 masks and then some candy corn earrings, so I went on ahead and did that. So now what I'm gonna do is probably work on my custom lanyard and then hopefully finish it today so I can get it out either later today or early tomorrow. And then yeah, I think I'm gonna work on some Christmas themed earrings in a bit, so I'll show you guys that. But other than that, I'm just kind of filling a few orders here and there and just trying to work on some new stuff, especially with the holidays coming up. I really want to have a lot of stock and a lot of options for people, because I feel like right now my shop doesn't have like a lot of items like it has in the past, because now I do post on my Etsy a lot more now, because I know a lot more people, it's just easier for them to just buy from the direct website. But sometimes people do, you know, buy from Facebook or, you know, Instagram, and so they use other, you know, payment methods. So I don't tend to use Etsy that often, but now that I'm using TikTok, a lot of people prefer to buy it from Etsy. So I've just been uploading a lot more on there. So yeah, I'm gonna go work on the lanyard, and then I'll just check back in when I start making the Christmas earrings. So I came outside to do some work because it's really warm. The sun finally came out, so I'm just out here doing a little bit of work. I finished the keychain, so I'm just making that custom order on Etsy right now so I can upload it for the person, and then I'm gonna start working on some Christmas jewelry. So I've been working, it's been a little bit of a trial and error, but I have finished all of my little Christmas disco ball earrings. I think they're so cute. So originally this strand of beads that I got came with like pearls and like these little red beads. And I was trying to use those, but I didn't really like the way that they looked. And so I went to my collection and I have some edging beads that are like clear and shiny, and they're small, and I think they look so good. So I just put one on the top and then one on the bottom. And I think they're so cute. And I have 5 pairs right now, and I can always go back and get more beads, but those are like that, and that's pretty much all I've worked on. I do have like some super cute snowmen. These ones are already in my Etsy shop, as well as the peppermint ones. These ones are already in my Etsy shop. But yeah, and if you guys are interested, all of the beads that I get are from Michaels. I think all these beads here are from Michaels. And if you guys are interested in any of the jewelry I make with this stuff is always a lot cheaper. I do each pair like $5 or $6 depending on how much the beads were and whatever else I put on it. So these ones are a lot more affordable for everybody. So yeah, I am gonna go finish a TikTok. I finished the lanyard I was making. Ta-da! Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I'm gonna do the TikTok I was making with this, message the lady, and then hopefully package that up and have it shipped out probably later today. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish my TikTok and then take photos of the Christmas earrings and then hopefully get those up on my Etsy shop as well. So yeah, let's go do it. Posted the Christmas disco ball earrings, so go check them out if you want to. Alright guys, so as you saw, I uploaded the Christmas earrings to my Etsy, so they are now available for you guys to purchase. I do only have 5 pairs for now, but if they sell out, I will hopefully be able to restock them. And yeah, I also want to show you guys these super cute earrings that I was working on. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're like these little cherry blossom and heart looking earrings, and they're so cute. So I'm gonna make up some of these. These probably won't be up on the shop by the time this vlog goes up, but hopefully I'll be able to put them up soon, and I'll post on my Instagram, of course, when they are available. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, there's a coupon code below, thank you 10 for 10% off your order on my Etsy shop. And don't forget to follow all my social media, Instagram and TikTok at Beads by Shay Designs. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!